In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your AV receiver. There's two reasons why you would like to do this. The first one is if you want the Bluetooth speakers to receive the sound using Bluetooth, let's say from your phone, and then to send the sound to your AV receiver, which will amplify it and send it through its speakers. If you want to do this first option, well, your Bluetooth speakers needs to have an output. This speaker over here, you see, has a 3.5 millimeter jack, but this is an input, it's not an output. To send sound from a Bluetooth speakers to your AV receiver, you absolutely need your speaker to have an output port, 3.5 millimeter or any other ones. This is very rare, and my bet is that you're not looking to do this. The second option is to use your Bluetooth speakers as one of the connected speakers of your AV receiver. So maybe you want this one to be the center channel and you already have left and right speakers, even surround left and right. This is totally doable. Or you don't have any surround sound speakers, you simply want the sound to travel from here to there, and this is about it. You won't have any other speakers connected. If you want to do this, your Bluetooth speakers need to have some sort of connector. Again, mine has a 3.5 millimeter audio cable connection over here. And if I want to connect it, well, I'll take one of these cables. I'll connect one end over here, and the other end needs to be connected to the phone's output of your receiver. Now over here I have a quarter jack connection. So in this case I will need an adapter to convert my 3.5 millimeter to a quarter jack. And by connecting it over here, the receiver will think that I have connected some headphones when in fact I have connected my speaker, and the sound will go from here to there very easily. Now, if you have any speakers connected to your receiver, these will not work because the sound will only come out through this connection. So if you want to use your Bluetooth speakers as one of the speakers in your surround sound system, go in the back of your receiver, and let's say you want your Bluetooth speakers to be the center speaker. Well, over here, as you see, I have this wire connection, one for the positive, one for the negative. If your receiver is the same as mine, you're gonna again connect this 3.5 millimeter connection in your Bluetooth speaker. You'll need a cable that connects to your speaker. And again, in my case over here, I have a 3.5 millimeter connection. So I'll connect this to that. And now the other end of this cable has RCA. Unfortunately, RCA does not go here. If your receiver has this type of connection, go ahead, connect it, and you're done. But in my case, I'll have to cut these two, strip the end of these cables. One will be positive, while one will be negative, and I just have to insert them over here. If your receiver has those banana plugs connection, well, you'll need a cable that has those connection, or most of the time when it's like this, you can also undo these and glide the negative cable over here, glide the positive cable over there on the side. There will be some space, and then you can close this and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. If I have forgot something, or if you have any other tips to share about how to connect a Bluetooth speakers to a receiver, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.